In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the differences between Shopify and PrestaShop, two popular e-commerce platforms. If you're looking to build an online store, choosing the right platform is crucial. Each option offers unique features and has its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Let's dive in and explore what makes these two platforms unique, and hopefully, this will help you decide which one suits your needs best. Starting with Shopify, it's essentially an all-in-one hosted e-commerce solution. What this means is you pay a monthly fee, and in return, Shopify takes care of hosting your site, keeping it secure, and managing updates. It's a seamless experience designed to be straightforward and accessible. With Shopify, you're not just paying for software, you're getting ease of use, which is particularly beneficial for beginners. It's designed to be intuitive, offering an experience where you don't need to struggle with technicalities. Now, on to PrestaShop. Unlike Shopify, PrestaShop is an open source platform. While it's free to install, this means you'll need to handle your own hosting and technical setup, which requires a bit more know-how. You're not tied to a monthly fee here, but the trade-off is that it requires a greater degree of technical knowledge or assistance from a developer to get everything rolling smoothly. When we look at Shopify, its key strengths include its user-friendly nature. It really shines in how simple it is to use, making it ideal for those new to e-commerce. Shopify includes hosting and security out of the box, so you don't have to worry about those technical details. Plus, it offers a wide selection of great themes and app integrations to tailor your store to your needs, along with 24/7 customer support to help you out at any stage. However, with the advantages come certain drawbacks like monthly fees that can accumulate over time. Additional customization might require you to opt for higher tier plans. And if you choose not to use Shopify payments, you might encounter transaction fees. PrestaShop, on the other hand, offers full customization. This means you can have complete control over your store's design and functionality, making it perfect for those who want a tailor-made solution, especially if you're operating a multilingual or complex online shop. No monthly subscription is required, only the cost for hosting and add-ons. However, it's not as straightforward as Shopify, and demands a considerable degree of technical skill or developer assistance. Setting things up and maintaining the site can be time-consuming, and costs for add-ons and modules can add up. So what's the final verdict? If you're starting out and want a hassle-free e-commerce experience without the technical worry, Shopify is likely the better choice for you. It's designed to make launching your online store quick and easy. However, if you're tech-savvy or are keen on having total control over your online store, PrestaShop could be a strong contender, offering the freedom to customize extensively while managing more on your own. Ultimately, it comes down to what fits your needs and capabilities best.